Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video, I will show you that how to insert the data inside the Firebase. So hereby you can see, first of all, you need to config the Firebase application. Like you need to open a Firebase account and just open a project, simple database project, and according to the project, you need to select the name, and after that, you need to go to the settings of the Firebase. Then you need to copy the npm or node.js formatted code, like how to insert or connect it with the database. Hereby you can see the connection, and here the things is I have inserted the data inside the database, and here is the database rules. You need to perfectly copy and paste the rules, and hereby it's a simple code like how to insert the four data like name, roll number, section, and the gender. So first the button is insert, the select button, and update and delete. So this is basically CRUD operation for a Firebase database. So now hereby you can see inside the JavaScript, you need to first configure the project connected code. Like configuration means this is a code where your application ID, messenger, sender ID, storage bucket, project ID, this types of all ID is related with the database. So that's why you need to write down or just copy and paste it from here, and now your code is connected with the database. So hereby you can see, just let the cloud db equals to firebase.firestore, and hereby the four variable I have declared with the let name, role, section, and the gender. So hereby you can see the cloud db dot collection. The cloud db is the constructor which is called the any kinds of function from the database. Like the database, Firebase database is supported some predefined function that is used only for the Firebase database. So hereby the collection means when you are inserting data, that should be insert or add. So the collection is actually the identity you are inserting data on which identity. So this identity is here the students. Now you need to insert all the data under the ID of student. See, your document has write down inside the database with this function or system generated ID. So you need to copy or you need to find out the system generated ID for a particular data. So in the previous, you have learned from my tutorial that how to insert the data with the particular custom code, but this time the Firebase changes its policy. Like when you are added or insert any documents, the add document identity will be generated by the system. So I am trying to find out the source, that how to generate the function, how to generate the documental identity that will be customized. So this will be better for this database. I hope I will give you some solution, and I will try to show you from my next tutorial. Hereby you can see I can delete it manually. So how to change the data, like this is a CRUD operation. So you need to insert, read, write, delete, and update. This is a CRUD operation. So first create a database, then insert the data, and then read the data means how to get the data from the database. And hereby I have used the three option like update, insert, and delete. So first I have already shown you that how to insert the data inside the Firebase. After that I will show you that how to update the data. Like according to the updation, you need to use the system generated code that is basically I do not prefer like this. That's why I have tried to change that. I can edit the data according to the roll number. That's why, like, when I'm calling the data, like get the data or fetch the data from the database, so I need to call the roll number. Like, I have entered roll number and all the information like my name, location, section, and the gender, all the information come back. But this is not possible in this tutorial. I will try my best for the next tutorial. And hereby you can see the update, like the roll number. But this is not the roll number, this is basically the system generated code that I have already shown you. So when you give the system generated code, insert the code, you can update all the name, roll number, and the gender. Every data you can change. So here is one of the benefit, like when you are changing the data or update the data with the roll number, that time you cannot change the roll number. That time if you want to change the roll number, then you need to declare a new function which will be called by name or another identity. So I hope this is one of the finest process inside the Firebase database. Like, you can call the system generated ID and you can change all the data you have inserted inside the database. This is the difference between the system generated ID and the customized ID. So that is basically I have shared with you the current features and information. And after that, hereby you can see the update of roll number with the system generated ID. And now the delete option, yes, hereby also the roll number will not work. The system generated code, like the you have already get, so collect the code, and this will also give you an alert message. With this code you can change or delete the data from the database. So that's it from this tutorial. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like this video and learned something new, and I will try my best for your tutorial purpose. So goodbye for now.